Ready to transform basic car footage into an explosive visual effect, all for free using AI. Let's create incredible car explosion effects with Higgsfield AI. We'll begin by navigating to Higgsfield AI since this is a complimentary guide. Our focus will be on utilizing the robust free features, ensuring this process is accessible to everyone. The central element of our effect involves generating the explosion itself within Higgsfield. Locate the AI generation tools here. You'll find options to describe the visual characteristics you desire for a car explosion. Consider terms like intense fire, flying debris, smoke plume, and glowing embers. Experiment with diverse descriptive language to achieve the precise visual aesthetic you desire for your explosion. You have the ability to modify parameters like intensity, smoke density, and color saturation to fine-tune the AI's output. After generating several promising explosion sequences, select the most suitable one. You'll want an explosion that possesses adequate duration and visual punch for your car. Now, it's time to integrate our car into the scene. You can import or construct a 3D model of your car for this tutorial. We'll assume you already have your car asset prepared. In your chosen video editing software, import your car footage or 3D render, and then place your AI-generated explosion clip above it. Position and resize the explosion so that it appears to emanate from the car. Minor adjustments to its placement and dimensions may be necessary to align with the car's scale. To ensure the explosion integrates seamlessly into the scene, we will utilize blending mode. Select the explosion clip and apply a blending mode, such as screen or add. This action typically eliminates the black background and blends the fiery components effectively. Pay meticulous attention to color correction. Adjust the explosion's hues, brightness, and contrast to synchronize with the lighting and overall mood of your original car footage. This step is critical for achieving a believable effect. Finally, incorporate subtle camera shake to enhance the perceived impact of the explosion. A slight degree of movement can significantly elevate the realism. And there you have it, a spectacular car blast visual effect, brought to life by free AI.